Right, part 3, as you see, that 1/4" ratchet back there, got to that screw, you know what I'm saying? I got the normal handle, but with one of those, and I just dropped it, see? But that's okay, because I'm taking that shit out anyway. But you gotta remember, see how short that one is? For whatever reason, they look the same, but this is the front one, and that's the back one. And that's gonna keep my ass safe. This little pin right here, they say it's supposed to have a screwdriver, but I got one of these. So I'm gonna grab that motherfucker there. Grab that bitch out. And get the rest with my hand. Okay, one of these. That's some MacGyver shit. Okay, from the dollar store. So don't act like you ain't got no dollar. But for this one, I may have to do it like right there. But as you see, it freed the motor. Alright, so they say it's heavy, which it ain't that heavy. But yep, and there it is. Just like they said it would be. The motor coupler was freaking destroyed. The whole freaking unit. Okay? That's what the problem is right there, y'all. So if y'all got a washing machine and I got a Whirlpool, alright, Home Depot got the part for $5. So I think it's $5 to fix my washing machine. Alright? It's your boy E Max from Cleveland. Holla holla.